Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to see Google Forms you submitted or how to view your submitted Google Forms. So for you to be able to see those Google Forms or response that you have submitted, then there should be some settings that you need to go ahead and tweak first onto your Google form. So as you can see, we're currently on Google Forms already, and we'll try to create a blank form to try to see which settings that we need to turn on to go ahead and view the responses. So as you can see, we have this one. So let's leave this as it is since this is just for a tutorial. And we're going to head here onto its settings. So you can see that one here onto the middle part. We're going to click onto that. So let's skip the tour. And right after, you should be able to find in here responses. So there is manage how responses are collected and protected. Let's click onto this. And there is a collect email address. So we need to go ahead and choose which one in here. You could use responder input or verified for that. Here, there should be a send responders a copy of the response. So this is the option that we need to turn on. So we could choose when requested or always. So let's use when requested in there. And let's head back around to questions to go ahead and see this. So we're going to go ahead and try to do a quick preview for this one. And this is how the form should look like. So you need to type in your email in here. So for example, this is my email. So it's going to copy that one out and paste it in here and just respond to any question onto the form and just go ahead and click onto this one, which is send me a copy of my response. You'll just need to submit onto that and you should be able to find in that specific response onto the email address that you have input. So you can see we're currently in on my Gmail in here and we could find the response here onto the upper part. So that is just basically it, how to see Google Forms that you have submitted or how to view your submitted Google Forms. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.